Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to solve a case study in business research methods. First, thoroughly read the case to grasp the central problem and its objectives. Pinpoint the main issues and the goals you need to achieve. Identify all key players involved and understand their viewpoints. Collect and organize every piece of data and information presented in the case. This foundational step is crucial for building a robust analysis and effective solutions. Next, apply relevant business frameworks to structure your analysis. Tools like SWOT, Porter's 5 Forces, or PESTLE can provide valuable insights. Dive deep into both numerical data and descriptive information, looking for patterns and anomalies. This analytical phase helps you uncover the root causes of problems and spot promising opportunities. A structured approach ensures you don't miss critical details, setting the stage for effective problem solving. Now it's time to brainstorm several viable solutions for the identified issues. Aim for at least 3 to 5 distinct options. Critically evaluate each solution, considering its feasibility, potential impact, and associated risks. Weigh the pros and cons carefully. Finally, formulate clear, actionable recommendations. Ensure each recommendation is supported by strong evidence from your analysis, making them persuasive and practical for implementation. To conclude, outline a detailed implementation plan for your chosen solution. Consider the steps, resources, and timeline required. Anticipate potential challenges and develop mitigation strategies to address them proactively. Finally, summarize your key findings, analysis, and recommendations concisely. A strong conclusion reinforces your proposed solutions and leaves a lasting impression, demonstrating a comprehensive understanding of the case study.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.